I heard in the news that many climate activists are getting arrested every day in UK, and also this is not fair. This is unacceptable, and also many their climate activists are not doing any violence or anything like that. I confronted with Mr. Goldsmith and the Honourable Minister of Energy, Climate and Environment, and I asked him a question that when his government will release the climate activists for protesting against the oil, gas and nuclear gas license in UK, and then he just ran away without answering my question. I followed him for a couple of minutes, and later he answered to me that he didn't know anything. He had no idea about it, and climate activists should not be arrested, should not get arrested for peaceful protest. And also he can't do anything. But I want to ask him that why is he a minister if he can't do anything? Why he is in COP27?